In our last video, we went over the basics of modern calligraphy. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Now that we know the basics, when you're lettering, you want to keep 3 rules in mind. Be consistent with the size of your letters. Using the free practice sheet is a great way to practice. The link for a free downloadable sheet is included below. Your letters should be consistent, going in the same angle or upright. Choose an angle and stick with it. Using a ruler, draw parallel lines to see if the letters are consistent. Here is an example of the word being written incorrectly with letters going in different angles. Your letters should be spaced evenly. Connections between each letter should be consistent. Here are some examples of letters connected or spaced too far and too close. Try some practice drills of the alphabet or your name on any piece of paper or a practice sheet. And be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook to see all of our videos. Thanks for watching.